Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be rating
refrigerators at a furniture store. So
I know this is kind of weird, but oh well. So
yeah, we're bored.
I want you to record me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So guys, this is the first one. It's kind of good, I guess. Now I'm gonna open it. So guys, I like it. It has a whole bunch of space, like all of those. Something where the little boys, the little kids won't touch, I guess. It's the bottom part. Yeah.
oh yeah, this is very nice.
Yeah, I like it, but
What about this one?
wait, girl, you do too much. So this
Good.
is
These
kind
are
of
like the
but-
same.
But look, wait, you're going too fast. This one I really like because we could just be like, and it's really good. So I really like it. I really like it. Look how much space. The plus, if we have little kids, we can lock this up so that they can't open this. So that's really good. Let's go to something different. Now, oh look at this one. This is kind of
This is
electric too.
2-door.
So we can like, yeah. And look, we have a French control lock where we can lock the whole refrigerator.
Ooh,
Now this has a lot of space, but it's separate.
it's
so
bigger. So
freezer
this
stuff-
is the freezer and this is the refrigerator. The refrigerator has more space, obviously.
Because we don't really like need the freezer.
This refrigerator, ew. Who has like? Who will
Here's
buy a
some
white
one.
refrigerator?
Come on. Come on. Now this one, I don't kind of like because it's kind of small. So if I was to put a,
Big cup.
yeah, it would have just did this like I don't know. Now let's go.
Let's find another refrigerator to rate.
Okay.
I want to go look at the Siri refrigerator.
They don't have those.
Yes, they do. It's like right here.
Is it?
Look, it's right here.
So you guys, how do you know? Oh, I love this one because whatever we want.
to add stuff to
We-
your
yeah.
shopping. Your
And look,
shopping
and this
cart.
like a little phone. You guys can't really see it.
There's a
that.
speaker on and off. I wanted this
So,
refrigerator,
yeah.
but my mom said no because it's
So
too
this
much.
one also has a lot of space in it.
Yeah. And it's very.
Alright, so we're going couches. Yeah, we're gonna have to hurry up. Oh, and let's wait. Let's do some of these. Oh, look at these.
These are
guys.
my favorite type of stuff.
Look
if
at
you're making
these.
sausages,
Has a lot of space, but not that
itty
much.
bitty
Stuff.
doorknob.
And I don't like this because it's only a little bit. It don't have that much space. Huh.
I like ones that have this part because you can make sausages.
So you guys, we're with the
This is a type of
Ovens.
stove.
I don't like this one because it doesn't have that much space. But
I want to rate.
I will get one of these ones because look at that. Just look at that.
It's
What?
heavy. Dang.
Yeah, this is very heavy. So baby, try to get it.
Oh, look at this one.
And plus, it has a middle part, so I could be able to like, you know. Oh, and I also like these ones because you don't have to worry about cleaning these parts.
But look at this one. This
So we could
holds,
just
like,
swipe it off. So I like that.
1, 2, 3.
So
This holds 5 pounds.
you guys, I don't know why this keeps happening to me, but
I want to go
my phone is about to die. So
Amelia.
hope you guys like this video. It wasn't much, but it's something, I guess.
You want to go
So
play on a computer?
make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button, and yeah. So.
I'm going to go play on a computer.